Introducing the Nexus-X series helicopter flight controllers. Designed and tested in collaboration with the Rotorflight team, the X series is housed in a CNC machined aluminum case. They're durable, lightweight, and built to keep cool under pressure. The Nexus-XR takes it up a notch with a built-in 2.4 GHz ExpressLRS Gemini receiver, featuring dual transceivers for true diversity. Powered by an F722 MCU and the proven ICM 42688 gyro, the Nexus-X series offers the precision you have come to expect. Our new and improved design offers power efficiency and includes multiple UART ports for easy expansion. Compatible with 760 microsecond and 1520 microsecond servos, up to 12 volts, the Nexus-X series is ready for your build. The Nexus-X series precision flight controllers for Rotorflight. Simpler builds, stronger performance.